Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of ancient Rome, focusing on the remarkable Roman cistern located on Via Cristoforo Colombo in Rome. This Roman-era cistern boasts a distinctive round shape, reflecting the architectural ingenuity of the time. Its presence stands as a testament to Rome's rich history and innovative engineering marvels. Through cutting-edge technology such as drone video inspection and laser scanning, we've had the privilege to explore and map this historical treasure with meticulous detail. Stay tuned for more insights and discoveries as we delve deeper into Rome's rich tapestry of history and culture. Thank you for watching.